Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming. I need some help putting this puzzle together and I'm wondering, can you help me please? Thanks! It's a really fun puzzle today. We've got animals and they're driving construction vehicles. We've got an elephant and this elephant looks like it's driving like a steamroller. And this animal here, that's a zebra. And this zebra is driving a dump truck. We've got this animal here, that's a koala. And this animal is driving a digger or an excavator. And then we've got this animal here driving a cement mixer or concrete truck. Now, one thing that's very important that we should all pay attention to is each of these animals is wearing something very special on their head. And we always need to wear something special on our head to protect ourselves when we're doing work like this. And it's called a hard hat or a helmet. It's very important to be safe all the time. So, having said that, will you help me do this puzzle? Thank you. Let's start with this piece. Why not? What can we see on this piece? There's lots of things, lots of bright colours. We can see a red vehicle with a big black tyre. We can see a blue sign that's pointing that way, which is to the right. And then we can see a zebra or a zebra driving what looks like some sort of truck. Now, can we see the zebra or the zebra driving anywhere here? If you can point to it, I can put it in. Is the zebra here? Nope. Here? Mm-mm. What about here? No, it's here. Let's put that there. Oh, there we go. Perfect. All right, let's get another piece at random and we'll go boom. We'll use this one. Oh, and you know what? I can see some black and white on here too. So that tells me it's also the zebra. So we already know that it goes right here. That was good luck, wasn't it? Picking a piece right next to the first piece that we put down. And sometimes new puzzles are a little bit stiff, so you've got to just finesse it a bit. There we go, we got there in the end. Okay, what about this piece? Oh, is it upside down? Does it go like this? Or does it go like this? I think it goes like this, and you know how I know? Because that wheel there looks like that wheel there. So I wonder if we put it in there. It fits! Yay! All right, we're doing so well. Let's keep going. Let's get this piece and let's talk about what's on this piece. We see them all over the streets when we go for a drive. It's the stop sign, and that means you stop. And what do we see over here? It's an elephant in a red vehicle. We can also see a cloud and some trees and some buildings behind. Now, where here can we see the red stop sign and the elephant? Here? I think so too. There we go. Awesome! Let's get this piece now. All right. Whoa, this piece is interesting. There's lots of dirt and rocks and mud. I can also see a black tire and a green part of the back of a truck. Where can we see a green truck here? Right here. And I think it goes there. Yay! Well done! Geez, we're doing so well putting this puzzle together. Thank you so much for your help. Hey, if you really like videos like this, I've got lots of videos on my channel. I've got lots of puzzles and I read a lot of books on my channel too. So once you finish watching this video, you should go and have a look at my other videos. I've got lots of fun ones to watch. But in the meantime, let's continue putting this puzzle together because you're helping me out so much and I really appreciate it. Let's keep going. Let's do this piece next. Whoa, that's a bear. Did you know that bears could drive? I didn't. That is just so fun. This bear looks like it's driving a truck that's got some orange on it. And can we see an orange part of a truck anywhere? In no way, it's the cement mixer. Let's put it in. Yes, it is. Wow. Now look at this. We've got 3 pieces left. And we've got 1, 2, 3 spaces left. Oh, we're almost there. Let's keep going. This is the next piece we've got to put in. There's lots of rocks and dirt and mud on this puzzle piece. It's also yellow and it's got a funny like wheel with a track on it that is usually on an excavator or a digger. So where here can we see an excavator or a digger? Is it up here? Nope, it's right here. And it pops in just like that. Okay, we are so close to finishing this and I want to thank you so much. Let's keep going. Ah, that's easy. Look at that. Same. That goes right there. Pop in, pop. There we go. Thank you so much for helping. Look, we're almost there. Where do you think this piece goes? There's only 1 space left and it goes right here. Yay! Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for helping me. Give yourselves a really big clap. You did so well and you helped me put these puzzles together, or this puzzle together. I'm so grateful and thankful for you, and I hope that I'll see you very, very soon so we can do another puzzle together. Bye!